Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a very interesting find that was done with by GHacks, but also that was kind of looked at by something called Fingerprint.com. Fingerprint is a site, and what they do is they actually look at how tracking works and what information you might leak or not, and so on. So, one of the very interesting finds that they had is that there's actually something in Chrome, and it is actually also in what seems to be every Chromium browser. And it has to do with a site's engagement. Now, the example they gave was Chrome colon slash slash site dash engagement. And when you actually go there in Chrome, it gives you the site's engagement with a score. Now, I changed the Chrome engagement to Edge. And the reason I did that was to see if I just changed Edge colon slash slash site engagement, if it bring up the same list. It does. And it did in Opera also, which means that it does seem like every Chromium browser has site engagement information. Apparently this is removed when you shut down the browser, but it's kind of interesting because it actually tells you all the websites that you go to, and it has a score. Now, the problem doesn't lie here. The problem is and lies with the fact that in some cases, apparently, this could leak and be used for tracking. And what Fingerprint.com says is that it seems to leak and be used everywhere that you have a Chromium-based browser. Now, I don't know about you guys, but if you have Brave, I'd like you guys on Brave to try this. Put Brave colon forward slash site dash engagement and look at this. Does it bring up a site engagement score? If it does, chances are that could be leaked at times, depending on how the websites actually access your browser. So this is very, very interesting. I'm going to put the links below with Chrome and Edge, where you can click it and it's going to bring up that page for you for the site engagement, that you could see all the websites you visit, the score, the total score to give you, and so on. So kind of a very interesting aspect, something I didn't even know existed here about browsers and their capability of making this site engagement list. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.